Hello there, welcome to Pencil. This tutorial will show you how to access your Pencil account and join your scheduled classes as a student. To log in, go to my.pencilapp.com/account. If you have a Google account, click Continue with Google and select the email associated with your account. If you do not have a Google account and you're signing in for the first time, simply click Reset Password. Then enter your email and follow the instructions sent to your email to create your own unique password. Then go back to the login page and sign into your account with your email and password. Once you've logged in, you will see a page like this. To view your scheduled classes, click the Schedule button on the left sidebar. Here, you'll be able to see all of the scheduled classes that you are invited to. You could also review any past classes by scrolling up. If your classes will be held online, make sure that you set things up for your first video call. Create a new space, and then click the Join Call button at the top right. Then click the small lock icon next to the Spaces link and make sure that your camera and microphone permissions are enabled. Then make sure that your video, microphone, and speakers are set up, and then confirm your selection. Now you're all set up. When you join a class that your teacher set up, your teacher will have to start the video call in order for you to join. You can always message your teachers in the chat, both inside and outside of a call. Once your teacher starts the call, you'll be invited to join it, like so. You can also see who is in the space by clicking the participants list at the top right corner. Now that we have everything set up, let's go over the basics. The whiteboard has infinite space, and multiple boards can be created within a space. Your whiteboard toolbar is at the bottom. To move around, select the hand tool or hold the space bar and click and drag. To zoom in and out, click the plus and minus icons at the bottom right corner, or hold Control or Command on your keyboard and scroll up and down. Your teacher can disable your ability to edit, screen share, or use your camera and microphone. They can also use a feature called Leader Mode, which will allow you to follow them. Remember, all spaces get saved automatically, so you'll never lose your work and can always review notes from past sessions. If you have any other questions or need assistance, you can ask your teachers, or you can message our 24/7 support team by clicking the Help button. You can also review our Help Center or our YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.